are getting that 5 band again and again, then this video is for you. Otherwise, you can skip if you want to repeat your performance, because I'm going to tell you how to do very important questions of your reading module. You don't have to do all the questions, and how you should do, which questions and how you should do, so that you can easily get 7.5. Now, what are those important questions? I'll do one by one and explain you how to do them easily. So stay. These are important, and you will not do all the questions. You will not do all the questions, only the important ones. And 7.5 you can get 7, you can get easily. Okay, so let's dive into it. First of all, this is a real exam, passage which I have taken. So first I will advise you should do always the fill-ups. They are very easy and they are always 10 to 12. I've already made a video in which I tell you what are the important and why. But here I will be only telling you how to do them. See, now this is, and first you have to pay attention to this, not more than 3 words. That means you will not write more than 3 words. Now if first you will write and see which is the easiest fill up. You'll come to know by some name, some place, some time. So if I see here, so it was about the snow makers. Okay, it's a real exam passage. So here see, it is dry snow is used to give slopes a level surface, while wet snow is used to increase, something is increasing here, the da on busy slopes. So we'll see where is dry snow and wet snow. To calculate the required snow consistency, the da and da. So this is something here and then da. So even if you don't know the word of meaning this, if there is a and in between, that would be the answer. Okay, then the machinery used in the process of making snow consumes a lot of, means it is significant amount or it is very great amount, whatever it is, they will give you off also, and then answer. Let's now go to the passage. The video is going to be long because you have to do it seriously. So in the early da, so here there is no wet and dry snow. The snow gun works, it's about the snow gun. I am doing it fast so that the video is not long. Now suppose I come here, the D paragraph. The snow makers often talk about the dry and the wet snow. So you have to stop here. And all the fill-ups will come in order. तो अगर फर्स्ट वाला इधर है तो सेकंड वाला इधर होगा, थर्ड वाला इधर होगा, जहाँ पे भी, I mean they will come in order. So often talk about da, that dry forest has a relatively low amount of water, they are saying. So the answer here, I'm just to make it clear to you. See, many resorts build up means increase the snow depth. Okay, in this way once or twice here, and then regularly coat it with a layer of dry snow throughout the winter. So build up the snow depth. So here let's come to the question. Is used to give slopes a level surface, while wet snow is used to increase the build up. था ना वहाँ पे built up. The was also there, depth. So this answer will come here. Okay, so, and if you do not understand this, we'll see and. So let's go and see here. Now after this, the answer will be there of the second. The wetness of the snow is dependent on the temperature and humidity, right? So ये वाला आंसर है. Okay, making the slopes do this with consistency भी यहाँ पे आ गया, तो आपको पता चल गया कि and है ना, तो you have to, so here it is temperature and humidity. So that is the answer. Then the machinery used a lot of. Now the answer will not be here or here, it will be next. So, but the man-made snow makes heavy demands on the environment and takes about they are saying that. So come here. However, considerable amount of, now if you, this is energy. So if you come here, so now it's a real exam. The machinery used in the process of making the consumes a lot of, means considerable. Okay, of was there, now here it will be energy. So the fill-ups can be done in this manner. Now coming, the next question you have to do is of headings. This is also very important because you will get 6 to 9 at least. So very easy to do. See, you will not use the keyword strategy. यहाँ पे कीवर्ड काम नहीं करेगा, आपको विजुअलाइज करना पड़ेगा, आपको इमेजिन करना पड़ेगा. आई विल टेल यू हाउ. कंसिडरिंग द इकोलॉजिकल कॉस्ट, कोई कॉस्ट की बात हो रही होगी इस पैराग्राफ में, है ना. मॉडिफिकेशन टू द डिज़ाइन ऑफ द स्नो गन, कोई डिज़ाइन की बात हो रही है इस पैराग्राफ में. द नीड फॉर डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ ऑफ स्नो, मतलब वहाँ पे वैरायटीज़ की बात हो रही होगी. लोकल कंसर्न, मतलब ऑफ द इन्वायरमेंट इशू, कंसर्न है उनको लोकल, एक प्रॉब्लम है और उसका सोल्यूशन है. उस पैराग्राफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा और उसका सोल्यूशन है. विजुअलाइज करना है, आपने इमेजिन करना है, ठीक है. एप्लीकेशन बियॉन्ड द स्की slopes, converting wet snow into, how to convert wet into dry snow. Okay, sorry for this, because then a new method for calculating. So there is some calculation taking place in this paragraph. Artificial process, natural product, so some artificial, some natural thing. Snow formation in nature. Now we know, we have read all the paragraphs and we have imagined it. Okay, here the keyword will not say cost, ecological, artificial, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. So you have to just imagine. So let's see whether, and then you will eliminate, फिर आपको eliminate करना पड़ेगा उसके बाद में. Let's see the first, suppose we are doing the first. Okay, so let's see in the let's see, do the first one. Skiing is a big business nowadays, but ski resort owners do it if the snow doesn't come. अगर वो आती नहीं है तो फिर क्या होगा? Problem. In the early to 20th century, with the growing popularity of skiing, the slopes became extremely profitable business, but skiing resort owners were completely dependent on the weather. If मतलब वो पूरे dependent थे weather पे. If it did not snow, अगर snow ना हुआ और अगर इनफ स्नो ना हुआ, दे हैड टू क्लोज डाउन एवरीथिंग, उनको सब कुछ क्लोज डाउन करना पड़ रहा था. फॉर्चुनेटली, पर अच्छा हुआ क्या, अ डिवाइस कॉल्ड स्नो गन, तो उन्होंने एक स्नो गन डेवलप की क्योंकि ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही थी, है ना. कैन नाउ प्रोवाइड स्नो वेन एवर, जब भी आपको नीडेड है तो ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई. These days such machines are standard equipment, standard है in vast majority of the ski resorts. सब लोग use करते हैं around the world, making it possible for many resorts to stay open for months or more than a year. तो एक प्रॉब्लम थी वो सॉल्व हो गई. चलो हम देखते हैं where it is, this one. So cost की बात हुई है नहीं, so cross it. This is called elimination. Modification design की बात हुई है, no, eliminate. The need of different varieties की बात हुई है, no. Local concern for environmental issues, कोई environmental issue, local concern, no. अब प्रॉब्लम एंड सोल्यूशन हो सकती है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम थी, फिर स्नो गन आ गई, तो ये हो सकता है. लेट्स सी, लेट्स पुट इट राइट. अभी नहीं करना. एप्लीकेशन बियॉन्ड द स्की स्कोप्स, नो. कन्वर्टिंग वेट को ड्राई कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, नो. न्यू मेथड ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग मॉडिफिकेशन, कोई कैलकुलेशन हो रही है, नो. आर्टिफिशियल प्रोसेस, नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट, नो. स्नो फॉर्मेशन इन नेचर, नो. सो आर राइट आंसर इज दिस. ठीक है, मैं सारा नहीं करवा रही हूँ, बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी वीडियो. अब यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखो, डायग्राम क्वेश्चंस बहुत इजी होते हैं, बट नॉट मोर देन 2 वर्ड्स. प्लीज डोंट माइंड द डॉग का. ओके, नाउ सी, आप डायग्राम पहले देख लो. ये स्नो गन का है ना. तो यहाँ से एयर है, आ रही है, सी यहाँ से जा रही है, और यहाँ से वाटर जा रहा है. वाटर इज ऑटोमाइज्ड इनटू एयर बिलो 0 डिग्री, देन डाडा आर फॉर्म्ड. सो ये स्नो गन के बारे में हो रही है. सो इफ वी गो देयर, सो आई रिमेंबर दैट देर वॉज लाइक, सी द स्नो गन वर्क्स वेरी डिफरेंटली फ्रॉम द दिस. सो 0 डिग्री करके वहाँ पे कुछ था, तो हमको पता लग गया ये 0 डिग्री है. यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं. When the compressed air passes through the hose into the gun, into था ना, compressed air into था ना वहाँ पे, हाँ. water is atomized, यहाँ पे डाडा एयर, compressed आएगा यहाँ पे, compressed. okay, so you not more than 2 words, it is important. so you, air is already written, you could say compressed, and then that 9th one will come, and then 10th. ये भी ऑर्डर में जाएगा. ओके, नाउ द 9th one will be coming. I'll do one more so that you have a good idea of that. See, it atomizes the water, है ना. That is, it disrupts the stream so that the water splits up into tiny droplets. तो उसका आंसर होगा tiny droplets. यहाँ पे into है ना, ये देखो इधर into है. into tiny, water is atomized into tiny droplets. ठीक है, तो मैं अभी इतना ही कर रही हूँ, so that just to give you an idea that this is also very easy, the fill-ups. okay, so you have to see what is before and after the fill-up. okay, now let's come to the next one. ये बड़ा important है. true false not given. this is also very important. you must do this. So how will you do this? That I'll tell you. You have to divide the question into 3 parts. okay, subject, verb and object. वैसे भी आप 3 parts में divide कर लो. अगर all the 3 are there in one location, not different, only in one location, then it is true. If any part, suppose the second is false, then the whole thing will be false. If the third is not given, but this is given, then it will be not given. So there's a lot of difference between false and not given, and you can find it out. You can divide it into 3 parts. So I'll do one so that you get a fair idea. I'm not going to do more. Suppose this is now, people do not like, people, ये subject हो गया, do not like the idea of living without technology. यहाँ पे with technology हो गया, यहाँ पे without लिखा है, और they do not like the idea, और if they can live, और they do not mind living without technology, तो फिर false हो जाएगा. like देखो, okay, imagining a life without, okay, technological devices in the vicinity is an unpleasant thought for most of the people. That means they cannot live without. And what they have here say, people do not like the idea, okay, given they do not like, they cannot live without technology. So this will be true. Okay, so like improved systems have rare security breaches. So with the improved system have rare security. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now let's see improved systems. Let's see here. Sophisticated systems means improved systems in various areas such as the example, add to the convenience. however there are inherent, ये है, ये चीज़ आपका चेंज करता है. Be careful about however, but, है ना, but in contrast, that means whatever set here is, it is not convenient here. However, there are inherent risks. For example, even upgraded security systems may be vulnerable to the slightest malfunction. Now see here what they are saying. Improved system, that means sophisticated system or upgraded system, have rare, they do not at all, have security breaches. So there is no security breach, okay, but here it is given the opposite. So here it is being given the opposite, that they are vulnerable. Vulnerable means there is every possibility of a malfunction, slightest malfunction. So it is false, because one part is, that is the middle part is false. So the whole thing is false. Clear? So this is how you will divide and do your true false. So all the parts are given, so true. One part false, false. One part not given, not given. But you will have to divide. Okay? Now let's come to, in the MCQs, this is the question, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 options. So with this question, you go and find the location by the keyword. So now suppose this is the passage and the location is here. This is the passage, it is a D passage and the location is here. So when you are able to locate with help of the keyword the location, then suppose it is here. Okay? I hope you are understanding. It is here. So now you will not read the options. Don't read the options first. After you have found the location here, read the lines here and here, and now you come and read the options. Don't read the options first or you will get confused, and then you can easily find your option. Here again you will eliminate, method of eliminate. You will not find the answer, but you will eliminate the wrong answers, and then you will be left with 1 or 2, and then you can easily reread and find the answer. I am sorry for this thing. So I hope you have understood it properly. It's a long one, but please save it and share with somebody who would want it. Thank you.